Welcome to Iron Gate Motor Condos, Chicagoland's first exclusive automobile home for your classic, collector, or exotic vehicle. The Iron Gate Motor Condos facility offers owners a highly secure, temperature-controlled environment to showcase their car or special collection. And with only one building to go, our 175-unit development is almost complete and is one of the largest communities of its kind. Join me, Tom Burgess, the developer of Iron Gate, on a tour through our 5 o'clock tower storage facility and speakeasy. Just one part of the Iron Gate experience, where as an owner, you can purchase or rent extra space in the building. Welcome to the lower level of Building M. When I originally contemplated this space, the walls were left gray. Like any other storage facility, it was kind of dull. But this is Iron Gate, and we will never be like any other storage facility. Here you will find the world's largest automotive mural. We call it Automobility on the Shoulders of Giants. It includes many of the iconic men and their brands that we, as enthusiasts, have come to love. The mural is the work of Joe Ortega, a local artist who is renowned and has done many important mural installations, not the least of which is the roastery for the Starbucks on Michigan Avenue. As an Iron Gate Motor Condo owner, you will have the opportunity to buy into the clock tower facility. With or without the extra storage, you will have full access to the tower entertainment space, as well as a wine locker in the lower level. And if you're not quite ready to be a condo owner, we offer single car storage, where you'll be invited to quarterly events with our owners, so that you can experience the camaraderie of fellow car enthusiasts. The 5 o'clock tower is done in the style of the 1920s, a truly remarkable time for the American automobile industry. The speakeasy, with its old piano, comfortable seating, and beautiful bar, has been the setting for many memorable social gatherings. With the mini beer hall upstairs, I paid tribute to my German heritage. It is served by a dumbwaiter and a 12-foot TV to watch races, auctions, and events. The speakeasy also features several other rooms to accommodate larger gatherings. Iron Gate Motor Condos was created for car storage, but has become so much more. Our community hosts frequent events in a large variety, so there is something for all car enthusiasts. I look forward to learning more about your collection and future plans. Join us by contacting irongatemotorcondos.com or call 630-945-1085. May there always be fuel in your tank.